everybody! Hey everybody! Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be playing Minecraft. What's up, everybody? Today me and my brother are going to play Minecraft together. So we're going to play one round of each of our we're going to play my rounds of Flood Escape 2. I meant for and play one round thingy. Yeah. Mining diamond challenge. You want to mix it to the first wins, and they get to craft some diamond stuff. Which way we have full weapons and full armor. Yes. But we're going to craft some more. Now I'm going to tell you guys about Flood Escape 4. It's where you tell them stuff you try. On the diamond challenge, you're trying to mine all of your diamonds first, and on the Flood Escape challenge, on Flood Escape 4, you're trying not to fall in the water, the leaks. And guys, as you know, we're definitely going on Aiden's first, guys. Mine is a little glitchy on mine, unless somebody joins in. So we're gonna do Aiden's first. Since he won't join in unless I join into his first. Okay, guys? And guys, as you know, we're going to do, like, a long one. So you guys might know what to watch. Aiden, it says your name. Look, it said I joined. I don't know. It just said your name. It said Jesse. Join in. It might be Hero Bro. Yeah. Hero Brian always pretends to be people. Oh my gosh. What? Oh no, Aiden. What? What? Then it showed you. I'll save you. What the? Oh guys, this is crazy. Oh, like my friend joined in too. My world, even though you stay off of my brother, you monster. Okay, guys, Aiden on his world now. Since Aiden's not gonna be here, why? Explore. Okay, guys, so this is my chest, of course. This. I put all my stuff. Okay, guys. So, as you know, oh no.
Go subscribe to my channel. It's called Crazy Family Vlogs.
Hey guys, so and me and Aiden are gonna be playing Minecraft as soon as
go to Family Vlogs.
And
go subscribe. I need subscribers.
And go subscribe to me and Aiden too.
I know how to teleport people. Go subscribe. Whatever. I have teleporting powers.
Okay, guys. Now I'm just gonna be showing you. Wait, oh my.
You have to join Aiden's first.
Yeah, but I'm just gonna do practice, guys, while we wait. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to all the YouTube channels we have here. And bye. Okay, and now let's get started. I was like, go subscribe to all the channels you buy. Wasn't that funny, guys? Since I got disconnected from Aiden. Did you hear that ghost? And the lights just turned off and all without it. That's probably just us using special effects without me knowing. Maybe it is. Something's crazy is happening over here. Gosh, I forgot that I deleted that. Okay, you guys read the sign and never join in. I'll show you what the sign says. Insane mode. Since insane mode 1 is not as hard as insane mode 2. Insane mode 2 is really a challenge, guys. Okay, hope Aiden's back soon, since we're gonna be doing his first. Oh, there Aiden is, guys. So now, this is gonna be so fun, guys. Make sure to comment how you like this, too.
Yeah, it's kind of long, so you might not want to watch this, right?
Unless you like long things.
Yeah.
Like, we're making a long video, so it's gonna be like, how about we make it like,
How about let's make it long?
okay, just, Aiden, let's join into your world. I don't want this video to be too long, that I can't make any more videos.
Okay, guys, let's do this!
Okay, so we're gonna do one of each, right, Aiden?
Yeah, so we're gonna only do one round, right?
Each one, like, since mine has 3, and if we die, I'll show him the next rounds that we go to. There's gonna be 3 rounds of mine, since mine are shorter, since you die faster, right? And farthest wins, but if we go get the same, like, it's not really both get the same. Aiden, are you lucky that, Aiden, don't kill me. Okay, guys. About that. Forget that I ever said, Aiden, don't kill me. Forget that I ever said that, guys.
Yeah.
And Dallas aren't here to destroy our YouTube channel again. Aiden, I think since you're
just always messing around.
like, oh, everybody's stupid. Only subscribe to our channel. Blah, 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 blah.
Yeah.
Aiden, don't hit me.
I didn't hit you.
And who did?
Yes, look.
Oh my god. Okay, Aiden. No.
I'm not cheating. Just so you know.
Yeah. Oh, we thought Brian was here. He's like my friend on my. I don't know if this guy's my friend or not on Minecraft. I don't know. He like, I saved him. I don't remember. He saved me and I said go here O'Brien, even though he died out after that. So then I was like, I wish Herobrine won. And he was fighting the witch, by the way. If Herobrine ever was watching this, I think he would get a big thumbs up right now.
Sorry, News.
If subscribe to Herobrine too. He's one of my friends on Minecraft.
Yeah, like when I was with Minecraft on my he was like, why not? We like actually thought you was there, and your brain was actually there. But it was your brain, but my cousin actually had Herobrine. It's like we didn't know what happened.
Oh,
It was so weird.
just so you know, Marcus was Herobrine for a little bit, but so then Herobrine was still there. It was so weird.
Yeah.
So that means that real Herobrine went inside of Marcus, right? Since
Yeah.
Marcus's phone died and they were still there. Okay, then how about we just get to the my challenge? A mini zombie! A mini zombie! Sit down, you little creature. Zyler, Aiden, I need help. What? Okay. Okay, guys, Aiden has to delete his video. So while we wait for him, okay, guys. Hey guys, I'm gonna be making a video by myself now. I'm gonna make a video of me playing Flood Escape 2. The whole rest of the time. Sorry you guys didn't get to see the challenge. But don't worry, there's more for everyone to see. Anyways, if you joined into my world, you would get to see a whole land of nature coming by. Okay, guys, this is the starting line. Me now, since my imaginary friends aren't playing. Sorry, guys. Oof! Dang it! Second round. This is insane mode 1. Insane mode 2. You guys do not want to go. You have to skip 5 blocks on one of the rounds and jump. This is medium mode 2, and that's it. Hey guys, just 1 second. I need to fix that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 1. I hope it's not a problem to you if we're all at medium 2. I hope it's not a problem at all. Oh no! Dang it. Now this one you can't run on. Okay guys, that actually did not count, so. Oh, actually you can run. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give a big thumbs up and bye!